What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then girl, just welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay.
Why are you making it complicated? It's easy. You're sitting on the couch, you're watching TV. You keep procrastinating over and over. No, do it right now. You spend all day on the phone anyhow.
Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial on how I am doing my own tribal feed-in braids. And I did not realize before today how big my head was. Done with the back. And this is what it looks like. Now, typically people do like 2 layers, but I'm doing 3 just because I felt like I wanted to do 3 just to be on the safe side because I didn't want it to look all thin or whatever. For those of you who know and saw the video where I shaved my head off a little over a year ago, she coming back in or whatever. So of course I'm going to start at the front and just match the parts from the other side, and from there add hair piece by piece, which if you know how to do feed-ins, then girl, you already are familiar with this process. I'm doing like a smaller piece, and that's the piece I'm going to use to start because you don't want the first piece of hair to be just so chunky and bulky, and then the rest of the pieces that I'm feeding in are about twice the thickness. So it, you know, gradually goes from smaller to bigger. Every time I braid my hair, people are like, how you see the bag, how you part the bag, how you braid the bag. This is what I do. I don't know if you can, let me see. I tape a little mirror to a door, and then of course the mirror to my bathroom is behind me, so when I turn around like this, well, you can't see it's out of frame, but through the little mirror I have taped here, I can see the big mirror behind me, and I'm able to just part like that, and then I just braid like normal. So for me, it's not necessary for me to just be turned around the whole time watching myself braid, but I will check like every couple pieces just to make sure it's not any lumps or nothing crazy is going on, and I don't need to restart or none of that. So that is how I braid the back. All right, so I am finally done. I can't even say how long it took because I started yesterday, and after 3 hours I was like, Christ, it's dark outside and I'm sleepy, and so I stopped. Finished today, so I don't know, but this is the back, and yeah, now I'm just going to take a hair razor and just like clean up the edges because you see it's a little a little bit raggedy down there. So I'm gonna clean it up, dip them in hot water to seal it. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked it. Share it, comment, all that jazz. And I will see you in the next one.